How to use sections and blocks in Squarespace. So what we call block is this blocks of text or images or grids. So what we call a section is this whole compromise compartment of that. So if you want to add a new section, you can just hover to the between of the two sections, which is this add section option. Now you have some options to add an intro, contact, about, or anything that's usually a section for this page. I'll just choose this one right here since this already made template. Now we have this. So this text, this button, this image is recognized as a block. So if you want to add another one, just click on this add block option and then just choose the block that you want added. So for example, right here, just click on this product right here. I'll add in here my product. And then for this one, I just need to just drag it, resize it, and how big I want it to be. And then from in there, I just need to click on this pencil icon and then just link the product that I want added right there. So that's how you use sections and blocks in Squarespace. Hope you helped.